Well guys, I wanted to make a little quick video of property that I bought. So this is the entrance. This is a dirt road that leads up to it. And this is the entrance to the property. Kind of a mud hole right now. Gotta get some gravel in here. It's starting to dry out though, finally. Gotta do this on the four-wheeler because otherwise it'd be a really long video. Beautiful cedars. Here's one of the little bubbling springs that I got. Probably hard to see here, but it hasn't rained in several days and it's still got water flowing out of it. Well, I assume it's some kind of artesian spring. It's kind of neat. This is the old logging road that I opened up. Take you guys over to the far east side of the property. This here is the far east side of the property. There's some rocks way over there. Those are basically the property line between me and the neighbor. This was an old staging area for where they did logging before. I cleared it out pretty good. There used to be a bunch of briars and all kinds of stuff in here. I cleared it out with the four-wheeler pretty good. I even put some food plot stuff out here. And there's a mineral block over there. Seen a lot of deer coming through here. I don't know if we're gonna get lucky enough to see one right now, but I've seen like, one day I saw a couple, another day I saw like 12. Just walking right through here. And way over there is a really nice, almost meadowy area past all this stuff where the deer like to hang out. And the turkeys and whatnot. Yeah. And that's an old logging road there that's pretty much overgrown. I haven't been able to do much with it. There's a humongous fallen tree over there blocking it. I can't really do anything with it with the four-wheeler. But yeah, and then we got all these beautiful big cedars all around the property. Anyhow, this is the far east side of the property. There's actually an old homestead site, and over there is the old homestead site from way back when, an old outhouse and stuff. And there's like a spring well that's dug and walled up over there by the road. That's actually the piece of property that the neighbor's trying to fight me on. He says that he owns it, but all the paperwork I got says I own it, so I don't particularly care what he thinks. I'm eventually gonna get surveyed. There's another road that I made. Just dragging old dead timber around. That's what I think is maybe an old graveyard. I hope not. But I'm not gonna dig it up and find out. Then this is the bottom, kind of centrally located area. And here's the little beaver dam I made, and there's some of the timber that I moved around over here to fight against erosion and try to hold more water on the property. And Then up there, well, just out of frame over there, is where the other spring comes up at, but it's only wet weather. After a couple days it quits flowing. So there's the spring. It's actually raining right now, and it wasn't even a hard rain. There's my little beaver dam I made. That's got to be 3.5, 4 feet deep right there now. But at least it's holding some water for now. Give the deer something to drink. Also a really good morel mushroom spot. Unfortunately, I probably tore up a whole bunch of the mushrooms doing all this work here, but oh well. They'll grow back next year, unless I want to plant some. Still haven't got this quite cleared out good enough, but oh well. Anyhow, there's a little spring fed. You can see it's coming out of the ground there. Another trail I cleared out with the four-wheeler. This one here takes us up to the southwest end of the property. I'm sure the loggers are going to have to open this up a little more, but oh well. Got to be done, I guess. Up here, this here, where it flattens out here, this is where I want to make the homestead. I want to take and knock these trees down, at least some of them, and build a nice cabin, well, A-frame cabin home here, and then build a nice big shop over here, or vice versa, I'm not sure yet. And it's up out of the floodplain area, and should be a really nice spot. It's nice, far away from everybody, nobody's gonna bother us. Should be awesome. I got this section kind of opened up, not real well. But at least I got a trail far enough in here, so gotta get back here. Another nice area. I mean, this wouldn't be a bad area either, but it's kind of close to the neighbor. But anyhow, kind of hard to see, but right over there is one of my fence posts, and my fence line goes down that way. And then over there, over here about 100 yards or so, is the other fence line on the west side. This is the far back corner here. That's kind of why I don't want to build a house over here, is because it'd be too close to the neighbors. I don't want them complaining when I'm firing up hot rods in the middle of the night or whatever. And unfortunately, I don't really have a whole lot else I can show you because I can't really get to a lot of it. At least not on the four-wheeler. I could do it walking, but it would be a really long video.